For 10th standard, hydrocarbon part 3. IUPAC name continued. Prefix functional group. Functional group. Actually substituent. Instead of HI only, this prefixing functional group will come. For example, chloro. The symbol is Cl. Bromo is prefixing, the symbol is Br. Iodo, the symbol is I. NO2, nitro, NO2. For simple group only will come in the 10th standard. Therefore, no need to worry. For example, I will give one compound. How to write? CH3, CH2, CH. Here one H atom, here CH3. What is the name of the compound? It is butane. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. What about this H atom? H atom is what? Stretched out. It is going to be removed instead of one H atom. Otherwise, H atom is substituted by one Cl group. Instead of one H atom, one Cl has come. What is the name of the compound according to IUPAC system? First, you count all the carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms are counted. They are connected by single bond. Therefore, it is but for 4 carbon atoms, jointed 4 carbon atoms with a single bond. Therefore, butane. Butane is ready. What about this group? This group is, the name is what? Chloro. Chloro will come in front. Therefore, I am telling prefix functional groups. Bracket me. In bracket substituents are given. So, chloro group. Chloro group is prefixing the butane, main compound. The chloro group is in what carbon? Just see. They count the carbon atoms from left to right as well as right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms are counted. So the Cl comes in the carbon 3. Okay. Then from right to left just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 2 comes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this will go. That means from left to right if we go, so carbon number 3, the Cl falls on carbon number 3. If we go from right to left, the Cl falls on carbon number 2. Therefore, 2 chloro will tell or 3 chloro will tell which is minimum number, that only should be tell. Therefore, 2 dash chlorobutane. 1, 2, 3, 4 counting, that is left to right counting is not allowed. Only right to left counting only is allowed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 3 chlorobutane. If you go from right to left, it is 2 chlorobutane. 2 chlorobutane only is the correct compound. Okay. So, similarly, one more compound I will give. CH3, CH2, CH, Br. Either CH3. Here CH3. So CH3, CH2, CH, Br, CH3. So Br, how it is sitting here? In place of one H atom. Previously it was CH2. Instead of one H atom only, the Br group is sitting. Therefore, so Br is a substituent. So it is a special group. So first count all the carbon atoms. As usual, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms. So definitely it is what? Butane. It is butane. Because all the 4 carbon atoms but, they are connected to a single bond En. So butane is ready. But this group only starring, that is Br group. Bromo. Bromo group should be prefixing the butane. Butane, bromo, don't write. So bromo. Bromo, butane. What is the position? Same method. 1, 2, 3, 4. I do not write. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 comes if you go from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 comes in carbon 2. 2 comes if you go from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. This only is giving minimum number. Therefore, 2-bromobutane. So, like this chloro group, bromo group, iodo group, nitro group, you can write. One more example I am giving. One more example I am giving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay, here. So as usual, how to write a pentane? CH3, CH3. The terminal carbon should be always CH3. The in between carbon will be what? CH2, CH2, CH2. Quickly you can write. So suppose hexane if you want to write, 6 carbon you write in the straight line. First CH3, last CH3. In between all will be CH2, CH2. So quickly you can write. So this is pentane. Now one H atom is stretched out. One H atom is stretched out. So here also pentane only is seen. So instead of this H atom, if we put one NO2 group, nitro. Nitro group is prefixing as substituent in place of one H atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total how many carbon you are counting? 5 carbon atom are counting. All are connected by single bonds. Therefore what? Pentane. Pentane is ready. What about this group? NO2. NO2 is prefixing functional group. It is a substituent. Its name is nitro. I already given. Nitro. Nitropentane. In which position? At that time only you should count the carbon atoms from left to right as well as right left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 comes. If you go from left to right, 3. So NO2 falls on carbon 3. If you go from right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In both ways, NO2 falls on carbon 3 only. So definitely it is what? 3-nitropentane. So in 10th level, only this little prefixal group will come. Next, I am going to tell about the suffix functional group. Suffix functional group. Suffix functional group. It is suffixing the parent chain. For example, alcohol. Alcohol. The formula is OH. Aldehyde. Aldehyde. The formula is CHO. Then carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acid. The formula is COOH. Here if you want to write single bond OH, either single C double bond OH. The condensed form is CHO. Like this you can write. One bond, either H, one more bond, either two bond. So totally 4 bonds are satisfied by each carbon atoms. Here O is having 2 valency, like this you can write. But after condensing with OH or single bond OH, that means the 2 bonds are satisfied with the O. What about this carboxylic acid? Co, CHO, OH, like this. But it's COH, no? You can write single bond C double bond O, either what? O, H. OH is already condensed form, like this only. OH. So O is satisfied with the 2 valency, carbon is satisfied with the 4 valency. Okay, the condensed form single bond O, C double bond O, press it, OH group is press it, so you will get what? COH. So anyway, carbon is satisfied with the 4 bonds. Last, ketone. Ketone, the formula is CO. How? Single bond, this one. C, double bond O, single bond. So after compressing only the CO is written. Okay, alcohol, aldehyde, carboxylic acid, ketones, these are enough for 10th standard. Suffix functional group. First, propane, alcohol. Propane alcohol. It should be written as propane propane, E is cut. Alcohol, everything is cut. Last oil group joined. Last oil group joined. So propane alcohol, actually we are supposed to write, but according to scientist, propane alcohol becomes propanol. How to write these suches? Please note it. I am going to repeat. So 1, 2, 3, propane, CH3, CH2, CH3. Propane ready. One H atom is stretched. One H atom is stretched. Instead of one H atom, I am putting OH group. I am putting OH group. What is the name of the compound? Otherwise, you just CH2. Okay, here one H atom is stretched. CH2H. CH2H. So CH3, CH2, CH3 only. One H is suspended because I am going to remove that H atom. H atom is substituted by what? OH group. It's removed by OH group. Okay, this OH group is substituent, but suffix functional group. What is the name of the compound? First, you should count the parent chain. Carbon, single bond, carbon, single bond, carbon. So 3 carbon atoms are connected by single bond. Propane. Why? It is properly, but they are connected by single bond, therefore propane. Okay, propane. What about OH group? OH group is oil group. OH group. The short form is alcohol, no? Therefore only oil is allowed. So propane alcohol become propanol. Oil we should write it. Double vowel. Oil. So we should not write. So double E and O vowel is removed. So E is cut. Just join it. Suffix. Propanol. What is the position of propanol? 1, 2, 3. 1 propanol. 1 propanol we can write, but according to modern AP system, it is propanol. Okay, 1 propanol or what? Propanol. Why? The same OH group is present in this compound. So 1, 2, 3 OH group. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The OH group is here. Left side I written CH2. Here what? CH3. Here CH2. Okay, what is the name of the compound? 1, 2, 3. 1 propanol. So if the OH group present in the first carbon as well as that side first carbon, so always 1 propanol only you are getting. So no need to put 1 propanol. Propanol is preferred. Then let us pass on to another alcohol. CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. What is the name of the compound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane. 5 carbon atoms are connected by single bond. So pentane. So here instead of one H atom, H is now also pentane. Instead of one H atom, I am putting what? OH. What is the name of the compound? First count all the carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane. Pentane. What about OH group? Oil group. Instead of E, just suffix oil. So pentane alcohol is ready. But the position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. OH group is attached carbon is second carbon. If you go from left to right. Right left if you count imaginarily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. OH group will be attached with the fourth carbon, which is minimum number that I told 2. So 2 is preferred. So 2-pentanol. Nowadays pentane dash 2-oil. Like this. The IUPAC name according to IUP system now it's changed. Pentane to all. This is also correct. This is also correct. Pentane to all. The 2, the hyphen is there, no? Just to put here. Pentane dash 2 dash. One more dash extra. That's all. Either 2 dash, but when you split pentanol, at the time one more dash will come. Here in front also one more, because this numeral will always between the what alphabet with hyphen only. Therefore, one more hyphen is just a pentanol. Like this, butanol, 2-butanol, butane to all, hexanol, 3-hexanol, 3-hexanol or hexane 3 all. Like this, alcohol up to this, that much hard you will not feel. According to aldehyde, propane aldehyde. Actually, it will be E cut, D head, everything I cut. The jointed word E is cut, only aldehyde. For alcohol, last two OL is taken. In aldehyde, the first AL is added as suffix. So propane, see that? Propan but al. Propanol. This means if you expand it, propane aldehyde. Butanol, if you expand it, butane aldehyde. Aldehyde group I told you, it is CHO. R. Elaborately, C double bond OH. Okay. So propane, how to write the structure? Propane. Propan means you must have understood that prop, 3 carbon atom with AN. AN means single bond. 1, 2, 3. Up to propan is over. Propan. What about L? L means CHO. One more CHO, don't write. This carbon atom, first carbon atom, otherwise this carbon atom should be modified into CHO. Very, very important. L means what? One of the carbon atoms, especially first carbon atoms, is modified into CHO. So L is also over. Everything is over. What about the formality step? There are 2 formality steps. First formality step, wherever you put carbon atom, just fill up with 4 bond. Everything is over. Here also, so here also place is there. Like this don't put, because he is already satisfied with the 4 bonds. See, C double bond O, a single bond H is the single bond. This single bond only EN. So it is already satisfied with the 4 bond. Unnecessarily don't put it. The formality step, here also I will put a single bond. Nothing is required. Everything is already satisfied one. Okay, the remaining last step, wherever you put a single bond, just fill up with H atoms. H atom. That's all. CH3, condensation. 1 bond, 2 bond, 3 bonds are not shown. Everything compressed. Single bond, this one. What about this one? CH2. Here, bond is there, this bond. Okay, carbon-carbon bond actually should be shown. CHO. Otherwise, R. Sir, CHO I want to show elaborately. You can write CH3, CH2, single bond after this. You know how to write the expanded structure. C double bond OH. That's all. Propanol is ready. Here one position, one propanol, one ethanol, one methanol, not needed. So one pentanol, one hexanol is not allowed. Propanol, butanol, pentanol, hexanol means the first carbon is converted into CHO. Clear? Instead of propanol, butanol if you want to write. Easy method. Butanol. How to write it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane. What about L? L means CHO. This first carbon is modified into CHO. Don't touch. Otherwise, don't put a single one H atom, nothing. You should not disturb it. The remaining carbon is filled with a single atom, single bond, then fill up with H atoms. So butanol is ready. Very simple. Here, because position problem will not come. So CH3, single bond, CH2, CH2, is what? CHO. Butanol is ready. Like this, pentanol. Please write pent. How many carbon? Pentan. 5 carbon should be joined with a single bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Pentan. Up to pentan we written. What about L? Al means CHO. CHO means the first carbon should be modified into CHO. So this carbon I am having more eager to know. Should not touch, only the first carbon is converted into CHO. The remaining single one, single one, single one, single one, single one, single one, single one. Everything, all carbon atoms are satisfied with single one. CHO is already single one, is already satisfied with 4 bonds. See, each carbon is satisfied with 4 bonds. First formality step is over, second formality step CH3, CH2, CH2, what? CHO. For 10th standard, it is enough. Next, carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid will become methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, butanoic acid, like this will get. Either butanoic acid. Butanoic acid. Actually, how it is, if it is suspended, butane carboxylic acid. Butane carboxylic acid becomes butanoic acid. Oic acid. Butane, how many carbon? As usual, 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane over. Oic acid. This carbon, especially first carbon, is modified into COH. It is already satisfied like this. COH is nothing but C double bond O OH. Okay, butanoic acid. This one, as usual, you know already. Each carbon atoms, each jointed carbon atoms should be filled with a single bond. Yes, all the 3 carbon atoms are satisfied. It is already satisfied. I given like this. C double bond O OH. Therefore, fill up with H atoms. So, butanoic acid is ready. Butanoic acid CH3 condensation. CH3 single bond. The CH2 compressed CH2. The 2 bonds are inside. Single bond CH2. So, the 2 bonds, 1 bond CH1, CH1 are inside. Then single bond COH. If you want to write elaborately, C double bond O OH. That's all. Butanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. How many carbon? Ethane. Ethane. How many carbon? 1 carbon, 2 carbon. Ethane over. What about this oic acid? Oic acid. Either this carbon or this carbon is converted into what? COH group. Here, single bond, H atoms. You will get CH3, COH. Sir, I will write this carbon should be modified into COH group. That is your wish. But for writing, you will feel some difficulty. Therefore, COH and COH, CH3, like this reversibly you should write. If somewhat is having difficulty, but the rule is CH3 is just to put COH group in the right side for our convenience. Ethanoic acid. Now, somewhat difficult for methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. Only 1 carbon, methane. Only 1 carbon. So, now we are having a lot of doubt. Only 1 carbon should be modified into oic acid. It is modified. But afterwards, no formality step, no, the carbon is filled with H atoms, single bond, no, but only 1 H you should write. Why? I told you to put 1 H atom, special case. Why? COH is written like this, C double bond O, OH. The carbon is satisfied with 4 bond. What about this part? You should be, wherever the carbon is having single bond, you should fill with H atoms. Therefore, HCOH. Similarly, methanol. Methanol is also having some problem. Methanol. Methane. How many carbon? Only 1 carbon. 1 carbon is converted into what? CHO group. CHO. But the carbon is not satisfied because if you write elaborately, C double bond O H atoms. The compressed form is CHO, but the carbon is not satisfied with the 4 bonds. Just put one H atoms. Therefore, here we should put SCHO. So SCHO, methanol. Ethanol, propanol, butanol for writing will not feel any difficulties. Only methanol, you have to put one additional H atom. Like this, for writing the methanoic acid, you should put one H atoms. Okay, last ketone. Ketone. Ketone, what is the CO group? By seeing the two bond, it is understood that the CO will come always in between. CHO will come first carbon. COH first carbon. But the CO group always will come in between. So minimum 3 carbons are needed. Here 1 carbon, here carbon. Therefore, propane ketone. Propane ketone. Sir, methane ketone not possible. Ethane ketone not possible. Only propane ketone only possible. Therefore, how many carbon atom? Propane. You can write 1, 2, 3. Propane over. What about the propane ketone? How to modify? E cut, K, E, T. Everything cut. Now you study propanone. Okay, if you read it, propanone, butanone, methanone, ethanone, not possible. Minimum 3 carbon are needed. First ketone. In the examination they will ask, what is the name of the first ketone? First ketone, methanone. Like this don't write. Minimum 3 carbons are needed because CO will come in between the carbon atoms. Therefore, here left side 1 carbon, right side 1 carbon, middle carbon only it becomes CO group. So propane, propanone, propane ketone become propanone. From the beginning I am telling, ethane aldehyde become what? Ethanol. Ethane alcohol become ethanol. Last alcohol, the OL that should be suffixed. In the aldehyde, the first Al should be suffixed. Okay, carboxylic acids, everything is just cut. Oic acid is joined. Propane oic acid, butane oic acid, pentane oic acid. Like this. Propane ketone become what? Propanone. Simply if you by heart, nothing will be in your brain. So after understanding nicely only you can remember it. Propane ketone, only propanone. Butane ketone, butanone. Pentane ketone, pentanone. Like this you write. Now propane one. Propane is read. What about one? One means CO group. Which carbon is converted into CO group, modified into CO group? This one. CO group. Okay. So we are not supposed to touch this one by putting single bond fill up with H atoms because it is already satisfied with the 4 bond. This portion only is condensed. What about this carbon? Single bond, single bond, single bond. 4 bonds are there. 1 bond, 1 bond. First formality step over. Second formality step fill up with H atoms. We are not supposed to touch this CO group. Okay. So CH3 is what? CH3. Propanone. Because sometimes you will be asked to write the bond structure of pentanone. Like this LS. 2-pentanone. Okay. At the time after writing the structures, you should write what bonds are present, everything you can write. In propanone, how many CC bond are present? Anybody? 1, 2, 3. 3 bonds are there. In the double bond O, everything you write like this. How many CH bond? How many CC bond? How many CO bond? Everything there will be questions. How many CC bond? CC, joined by single bond. So 1 CC bond, 1 more CC bond, 2 into CC bond. I already told. What about the CH bond? CH, 3 CH, 4 CH, 5. Like this don't, obviously, like this don't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into CH bond. What about this one? 1 into C double bond O. Correct answer. Okay. So, other ketones. What about this? Identify this. This ketone. One question is there. What is the name of the ketone? Whether the compound is correct or not. How to check it? Terminal side is CH3. Terminal side is CH3. Okay. The remaining carbon CH2, CH2, CH2. Okay. Here only some problem. Because it should have been modified into C double bond OH. Therefore, it comes as CO. Understood? One ketone is given to you. How to name the compound? First count all the carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X. They are connected to single bond. Hexane. Okay. Hexane is ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon are counted. Hexane. E is kept because CO group. CO group becomes ketone. Ketone means what is the suffix word? On. Hexanone. What is the position? Position of the CO group. Position of the CHO, COH, no need to worry. Only alcohol and ketone. Ketone only position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So fourth number, if you go from left to right, 4 comes. 4 falls on CO group. Okay, if you count from right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Either 3 comes. Which is preferred, which is selected, and 3 only selected. Minimum number. Therefore, 3-hexanone R. In modern IUP system, just split it. X, Xn power, either what? Dash, 3 dash. The 3 is included, and what? 1. What is the name? Hexane dash 3 dash 1. Hexanone. Otherwise 3-hexanone. One more compound, this is the last. CH3, CH2, CO, CH3. What is the name? CH3, CO, CH3. This I already given. Propanone I have given. What about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon, butane. Then what? CO group is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. They are connected by single bond, therefore butane. Sir, connected by double bond, you will get a confusion. C double bond O, not C is not connected to what? Carbon. C is connected to double bond. Therefore, you should not get confusion. You should not get confused with this the C double bond O. So carbon, 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 all are connected to single bond. Therefore, butane. Butane. E is there, but CO one we are going to join it. Butanone. Because of the CO group. What is the position? If you go from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Sorry, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 comes. If you go from left to right. With pencil only you should write this one. Unnecessarily 3. Like this you should not write. With pencil marks. For your understanding I am telling. So 3 butanone. If you go from right to left, 1, 2. 2 comes. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Which is selected. 2. Therefore, 2 butanone. But if the same compound is written like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. The CO left side I have put CH2, either CH3, either what? CH3. What is the name of the compound? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 CO group or 3 CO group, which is minimum 2. Again this is what? 2 butanone only. 2 butanone only. So the correct structure is instead of 2 butanone, you can simply put butanone. No need to put what? 2 butanone. Like this only propanone, CH3CO, CH3. If you go from left to right, 2 comes. If you go from right to left, also 2 comes. So 2 propanone, don't put. Propanone. For higher alkanone only, the number will come. The first two ketones will have no position, very important. 2 propanone, there is no 2 propanone, there is no 2 butanone. Propanone, butanone. Like this, first alcohol, second alcohol, methanol. Methanol, how many carbon? Meth, only 1 carbon. Single bond, single bond, single bond, only OH group. What is the name? one methanol, there is no methanol. One methanol will not come. Methanol. Like this, ethanol also. 2 carbon. In single bond, single bond, single bond, OH group. Instead of one HAT, OH group. Here what is the name? Ethanol. One ethanol, don't write. On first position. So same, if you put OH group in the second, in this carbon also, one ethanol only will come. At that time only the position is removed. You will get ethanol. Okay, propanol, 1 propanol, 2 propanol joints. These are the surface functional group. After this part 3 is over.